Welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. Today we are introducing you some information and facts and peanut butter fruit recipes. It is botanically known as Bunchosia argentea. Keep watching till the end to know more. Peanut butter fruit is a small, highly ornamental and tropical evergreen perennial tree or shrub that grows about 2 to 4 meter tall. Peanut butter fruit, botanically known as Bunchosia argentea, is a tropical fruit tree. The fruit is shaped like quail egg and is green when it's raw and turns orange as it ripens and later becomes red. There will be 8 to 10 fruits on one bunch. Bunchosia will start blooming after 3 months of planting and can be harvested after 1 month. These plants bear fruits which are small in their size, almost like a large olive, with a color varying from red to orange. The fruit's flesh is thick and sticky in nature, with a flavor which is similar to peanut butter, and also figs which are free from moisture content. Since they have a flavor similar to peanut butter, they are named so. The aroma of the fruit is also similar to none other than the peanut butter. These fruits are taken as it is and also aids in the preparation of jellies, jams, and other preserves too. Both the skin and pulp of the peanut butter fruit are edible and popularly eaten fresh as it is. It is enjoyed as the fruit's unique peanut aroma and sweet flavor. Here in this video, we are showing you how we can turn the pulp into jam, and in the coming video, we are showing you how to make milkshake. This tree is grown for its edible fruit. However, it has never experienced commercial success due to its delicate and perishable nature of the fruit. Once it's ripe, the peanut butter fruit must be harvested immediately to prevent them from spoiling on the tree. Eating peanut butter mainly helps in reducing the problems of heart as it reduces the cholesterol levels, which is the main reason behind which heart ailments don't occur. Not only it solves heart problems but also makes our nerve function effectively. This fruit can be grown both in dry season as well as in rainy season too. The raw berries taste like peanuts and the flavor of ripe fruit is more like cashew nuts. Jelly and jams can be made from fruits and the shelf life of these products are rather long. The fruit can be refrigerated and the pulp can be frozen. See the ripe fruit? These fruits can be kept like this, and once it starts ripening, refrigerate them and it will last for 1 week. Look, this is the red fruits and they are ready to be turned into jam. The inner part of the fruit will look like this, and the green part you see here is the seed. These seeds are also edible. Only those who love the taste of peanut will love this. To start with, the ingredients needed for making the jam. Take each seed and remove the outer coating like you can see here. It will be a very thin skin and this skin should be discarded. The whole procedure for making the jam will take almost 1 hour. After doing like this for all the seeds, into a hot kadai or a clay pot, add these seeds. Into that add little salt and stir. Using a clay pot will be better. Now add 5 tablespoons of white sugar or brown sugar. Brown sugar is better for health. You can add more sugar for more taste. Remember, here we used 500 grams of peanut butter fruit. After it has become little hot, remove the seeds. This will take a little time. For more interesting and unique recipes like this, please do subscribe to our channel by clicking on the all notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Then wash these seeds with little water and add that water into the pot. Into that add 2 cloves and a piece of cinnamon. Add a pinch of cardamom powder. This is optional. If needed, add more sugar. Keep stirring occasionally, and once the water content is gone, the jam is ready. When it doesn't stick much to the bottom of the pan, it means jam is ready to serve. See, it's attractive. As said earlier, these seeds are edible. Stay tuned to know more. After cooling, transfer this to an airtight container. It can be stored in a cool place. As you can see here, it is simply superb. We tried it with Delicia Wheat Bread, which was a good combination for the jam. Do try our recipe once you come across this peanut butter fruit. And please do comment, and your comments are valuable for us. Stay tuned for more recipes of peanut butter fruit. If you liked our video, please do not forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. Thank you.